Hello traders, you're welcome back to the channel where we dive into the best Forex strategies to help you trade smarter and manage risk effectively. In this video, we are breaking down the Sure Fire Hedging Strategy. It's a powerful approach that helps you stay in control of your trades, reduce risk, and navigate market fluctuations with confidence. Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to be showing you exactly how the Sure Fire hedging strategy works, how to set it up, and key techniques to make it work for you. By the end of this video, you should have a solid understanding of how to use this method in your trading plan. All right. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on powerful trading strategies like this. Now let us get into it, shall we? Okay, first things first, what exactly is the Sure Fire Hedging Strategy? Now this strategy is based on hedging, all right, which means opening of certain trades to manage risk. So instead of relying on a single position, you open both a buy and a sell order at key price levels. Now the goal is to adjust position sizing strategically. Okay, so no matter which way the market moves, you stay in control. By following a structured approach, you can neutralize market swings and make calculated adjustments to your trades. Now, this method is widely used by traders who want to minimize exposure and keep their positions manageable even during unpredictable market conditions. Now, let us just go over how to set it up properly. Now that you understand the concept, let us go through a step-by-step breakdown of how to apply the Sure Fire hedging strategy to your trading. The first step is to open the initial trade. Now, you have to identify a trade setup based on your usual analysis, right? Whether you are using support and horizontal support and resistance levels, or perhaps you are making use of trend lines, and all of that. So basically, you must have done your initial analysis, right, and identify a good trade setup. Okay. All right. So let us see. We're currently in a bearish trend, right? We're currently in a bearish trend on bonk. And I can see that there is a notable resistance around here. Yeah, we actually have declining highs and lows. You can see that these are obviously a bearish structure or of lower highs and lower lows. And then we can see that we have important levels. This was a support level that turned into a resistance, you can see. And then we also have this. Yeah, this is also another important level. You can see support turned into resistance, and then we have something similar here, although well, there seems to be like a false breakout around here, and then it came up here and it got rejected, and then came down and broke through it, and then this became a resistance, and so on. And then we have a notable support around here. Okay, so once you have identified a good setup, then you enter your initial trade. Okay, so at your chosen entry point, because it is a sell trend, so let's say we had identified a good trading opportunity around here. Perhaps we had opened a sell trade around here. Okay, let me just use a different color to indicate a trade. All right, so let me use maybe let's just use this. Okay, no, it looks similar still. All right, let's use this for. Let's assume that we entered a sell around here. That was after we had this rejection and retest, right? So now, instead of placing a stop loss, you will just open an opposite trade of equal lot size. Okay, so this creates a hedged position that allows you to react strategically. Okay, so maybe when we began to see a kind of pattern here that seems as if the price wants to start going back up, you can see we kind of see a pattern around here. So maybe we can decide to enter a hedged position, right? We can decide to enter a buy around here. So we are hedging the position. Yeah, instead of setting a okay, no, this is not going to be the place to set. This is in case of if we actually have this is in case of if we actually have a reversal. All right, we can decide to set, no, we can decide to set a buy above the sell level. So this would have been a sell, and then the buy is in case this pattern holds and we have a breakout, because we can see that there is a consolidation pattern here. So there are two things involved. It's either there is a breakout to the downside or there is a breakout to the upside. Now, if we have a breakout to the downside, then we are good, right? Our sell trade continues in profit. But if we have a breakout to the upside, we could possibly have the price go above our sell entry point. So in that case, we can open a buy position. We can set a buy stop limit, or rather a buy stop position. Yeah, a buy stop order. Sorry about that. We can set a buy stop order right above the, this resistance in case of if this level gets broken. And then instead of setting the stop loss, we use an opposite order instead. All right, so this creates a hedged position that allows you to react strategically. Then the third step is to adjust the position as the market moves. Okay, if price moves in your favor, you close the losing trade while letting the winning trade to run. So basically that is how it works. Okay, so if price eventually gets here and then continues back downwards, you're going to close the losing trade, which is going to be a buy trade in that case. And then, of course, you let the sell trade continue to run. But in a situation whereby price climbs up here and maybe even retest this level and continues upward, then, of course, you have to close your sell trade and let the buy trade run. Okay, so if price moves against you, just apply lot sizing adjustments to rebalance the trade when new opportunities arise. The key here is precision, right? Using the right lot sizes and entry points to manage exposure efficiently. So now that you know how to set it up, let us talk about when to use the Sure Fire Hedging Strategy effectively. One is during trending markets, okay? Because if there is a strong trend forming, the strategy will allow you to manage risk while capturing potential moves. Okay, you can also use this strategy during high volatility events, perhaps news releases, major economic reports, or unpredictable market conditions are where this method helps you to stay in control. All right, and you can also use it during sideways or ranging markets. Yeah, since price fluctuates within a range, hedging allows you to take advantage of small price movements without getting stopped out. All right, but one important note, this strategy is not a set it and forget it method. All right, you need to monitor your positions, make smart adjustments, and ensure proper lot sizing to maintain control over your trades. Okay, so that is how you use the Sure Fire Hedging Strategy to manage risk effectively in Forex trading. If you found this breakdown useful, smash that like button and drop a comment below letting me know if you have used this strategy before. And also do not forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, because I've got plenty more powerful trading strategies coming your way. Until next time, trade smart, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video.